Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Binance. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on the scanner logo at top on in the screen. Now here you'll be redirected to QR scanner interface where it is asking QR of Binance user to whom you want to send your USDT. Or at bottom right you can see upload QR code option, which basically means you can upload the photo of QR to whom you want to send your crypto. So yeah, once you scan the QR code, enter the USDT amount that you want to transfer. Let's say I'm gonna use 100 USDT. And finally click on continue and you'll be able to pay or transfer your USDT to another Binance user. So basically this is how you can pay with Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during the paying process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.